Hey fam, this is my Mosquito tabletop fire pit. But I also wanted to show you, I had purchased the Misto to go in my backyard, which is a fan and a water. You hook it up to your water hose, it's a mister, cools it off, drops it by 20 degrees or so. Then I also got this from Walmart, which is you can plug up multiple, it's just like an extension cord, but you have about 4 plugs that you can use with it. The cord on it is pretty long, so I need that for my patio. And then this fan is an X Power. This fan puts out so much air, it's ridiculous. Um, I wanted to show an update on how my mosquito pack plants from Walmart was behaving, and they're doing pretty good. But here's the process of me creating the fire pit. And so I had an old clay pot, so I spray painted it white, and then I had some fire rocks that I wanted to put on the top of it, but to kind of build it up, so my jar that I also purchased from Dollar Tree, no, Dollar General. I got it for like $5, but I needed to build it up because it sat too low at the bottom. So yeah, everything is self-explanatory, but enjoy. So I used the fluid was the torch fuel from Tiki. The oils that I'm using in this is I have citronella oil, eucalyptus, Texas cedar, and lemon oil. I mixed all of those together in that jar, and that's why I called this a mosquito DIY fire pit, because I can now turn this on and fight mosquitoes with a pretty view at the same time.